Happy holidays and welcome back for another video. My name is Caitlin and I hope you all are having a great day today. Today we'll be making Linzer cookies and this is part 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series that I'm doing. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these awesome recipes. So let's get started. Alright, so in my mixer I have 3/4 of a cup of butter. I'm actually using plant-based butter by Country Crock. It's got avocado oil in it, so that way I can eat these and enjoy them. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of plant-based butter, as well as the zest of 1 lemon and half a cup of sugar. And our next step is to beat all of these together until they are very fluffy. So our next step is to add a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg yolk. Alright, after you've creamed together your butter, sugar, and lemon zest, you're going to want to, in a small bowl, whisk together, and I've got 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, and a pinch of salt. So you just want to give that a little mix so it's all mixed up. And then we're going to add that on low into our mixer. I'm just going to tip a little bit more of my flour in there. There we go. And that's all of it. It smells delicious. I can smell the lemon. So after it's really thoroughly mixed, you can scoop it out of the mixer onto cling wrap, and time to chill this down in the fridge for 1 hour. Alright, so it has been about an hour and the dough for the Linzer cookies has chilled down pretty well. So I have flour at the countertop and we have the dough out, and our next step is to roll it out flat. So that is what I am about to do. Alright, so the dough is flat. It is about 1/4 inch. It's kind of a thicker dough at this point. So I have 2 cookie cutters in front of me. We're going to start with the big one, and we're just going to pop out 8 of these out of our dough. The ones you've already cut out, if they didn't pop right out, just use a spatula to move them, because the dough is quite fragile. So you have 2 rows of cookies on there. Now we want to take our little guy, and on one of the rows, I'm going to pick this row right here, you're going to want to put the little cookie cutter and cut out the middle section of each one of these cookies. If you're having a hard time getting them out, the tip of a knife works pretty well too. Oh, that one popped out all on its own. That's so nice. Alright, so our first 4 cookies are done. So we have the bottom layer, top layer, we'll put jam in the middle once they're done baking. So now it's time for them to go in a 350-degree oven for between 8 to 10 minutes. So I will see you back here when they're done baking. Alright, so the cookies are out of the oven and they are cooled, and if you can kind of see, this is what they look like. You can't tip it too much or else they'll be everywhere. So you're going to take the bottom of your cookie, which is the part without the hole, and put it on your decorating tray. And then you're going to want to take probably about a heavy teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of jam and place that on the center of the bottom piece of the cookie and feather it out slightly on the ends, just kind of spread it out. And then you're going to want to take one of the top pieces of the cookie and place it down there and give it a little press so it adheres. And then just continue that on with all of the rest of the cookies that you have. Alright, here they are. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!